مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم مولاي صل وسلم دائما.
There are only 21 meters that separate the Kaaba from the well of Zamzam. The mouth of the well lies underneath the Mataf area, parallel to the black stone. It has two springs from which pure water issues forth, one from the Kaaba direction, and the other from Abu Qubay's mount and the hell of Safas. That venerable well is ever clean, having no moss, insects, fungi, or other unusual water contaminators. By the grace of God, Zamzam's fresh water continues to outflow at 11 liters per second as minimum rate, and 18.5 liters per second as maximum. The amazing thing is that such a prolific well is only 31 meters deep, underneath the Kaaba diameter. The journey of the blessed water starts by pumping up water from the well, using two huge water pumps working alternately for 24 hours a day. Soon after, the pumped water is transmitted to the King Abdullah bin Abdulaziz project for Zamzam water in Kadai through special pipelines to maintain its unique characteristics. Crystal clear water is on the way. Come, O seekers, no delay. As for the Prophet's mosque, Zamzam water is transported to it in tankers with standard specifications. Their lids and valves are securely locked to preserve the water from any extraneous elements. No one can unlock them but the person in charge at the Prophet's mosque. Normally, 150,000 liters of water are transported per day, but this figure goes up to 400,000 liters per day during religious seasons. The processes of water drawing and pumping, and the controlling of pipelines and tankers through optical fiber technology are all carried out using the high-tech SCADA system. The blessed water is provided at the two holy mosques in sterile containers, carefully distributed at drinking places and courtyards.